The President of Jubaland State, Ahmed Mohamed Islam, and the President of Puntland State, Saeed Abdullahi Deni, have held a joint meeting with former President of the Federal Republic of Somalia, Mohamed Abdullahi Mohamed, popularly known as Farmaajo. The meeting took place following a courtesy visit by the former head of state to discuss the ongoing political consultations among Somalia's key leaders. According to sources close to the discussions, the leaders exchanged views on the country's current political climate, security situation, and the need for strengthened cooperation between the federal government and federal member states. The talks are understood to have focused on national unity, the fight against terrorism, and the importance of inclusive dialogue in addressing Somalia's constitutional and electoral processes. The leaders reaffirmed the need to safeguard stability and promote collaboration in advancing development and peace across the country.